Benefits of tomatoes. 14 reasons to eat tomatoes every day. Never underestimate the power of a small, humble tomato. They are the world's most consumed vegetables due to the plentiful benefits they provide. Even then, many of us are taken for granted despite having a high nutritional profile. These petite energy balls are low in calories and carbs, but stuffed with as many nutrients as you can think. Tomatoes offer a broad range of health benefits, like reducing the risk of heart diseases and cancer protection. Botanically speaking, tomato is a fruit, but its nutritional profile has made it categorized among vegetables. They come in various ranges of colors like yellow, green, purple, and red. Subspecies of this incredible fruit disguised as veggies also exist in different shapes and flavors. There are many pluses that this nutritious vegetable provides. In today's video, we will show you the 14 reasons to eat tomatoes every day. Please watch the video until the end and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Number 1. It provides a variety of nutrients. Let's discuss the nutritional profile of tomatoes first before going any further. The ratio of carbs and fiber in a small raw tomato is about 3.9 and 1.2 grams. Fiber is mostly in the insoluble form and exists as cellulose or lignin. Vitamins and minerals are present abundantly in tomatoes. You can get your daily recommended intake of vitamin C from tomatoes. Vitamin K plays a crucial part in blood clotting and promotes bone health. Tomatoes also have sufficient amounts of vitamin B9 that enable cell growth and functioning. These essential nutrients are also enriched in lycopene, beta-carotene, naringenin, and chlorogenic acid. Number 2. Protects heart. The most common reason of death across the globe is a heart attack. Intentionally or sometimes unintentionally, we tend to eat food with terrible cholesterol and eventually put our heart health at risk. But why worry when we have tomatoes in our vegetable basket? Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which is a plant compound. A low concentration of lycopene in the blood is responsible for heart stroke. Also, lycopene lowers the harmful cholesterol levels in the blood. Tomatoes are high in beta-carotene and flavonoid. Both protect the heart and reduce platelet aggression. Lastly, consume lycopene with a little fat because it is fat-soluble. Number 3. Prevents cancer. We all know how dangerous a disease cancer is, but thanks to lycopene again for protecting us against this heinous disease as well. Many successful research pieces have shown that lycopene prevents us against different cancer types like prostate, lungs, gastric, and ovarian cancer. The carotenoids are found to play a vital role in preventing breast cancer among women. Number 4. Improves vision. Need one more reason to eat tomatoes? It will keep the eyesight glasses at bay throughout your life. Yes, you have read it right. Lycopene lowers the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, which would otherwise result in weak eyesight. Lycopene combats free radicals, which could affect the eyes otherwise. The other two essential nutrients in tomatoes are lutein and beta-carotene, which supports nutrition as well. Vitamin C and copper are other eyes beneficial nutrients in tomatoes. Vitamin C fights the age-related cascades while copper produces melanin, a rich black pigment in the eyes. Number 5. Help in managing diabetes. The importance of tomatoes in managing diabetes can't be emphasized enough. If you or your loved ones have been suffering through diabetes, add tomatoes in your meal plans. Here is why. Tomatoes lower oxidative stress, inflammation that is caused by diabetes. They are the right vitamin E, C, and iron providers, which help relieve diabetic symptoms. Diabetes enhances the risk of a heart attack. This is where tomatoes come to rescue. They reduce lipid peroxidation, a process in which free radicals attack fat, and lower heart stroke risk. Number 6. Enhance digestive health. Good gut promotes good health. Tomatoes are a good source of insoluble fiber, which helps in the regular and smooth movement of food throughout the digestive system. Fibers are known to give you a feeling of satiety and hence play a role in losing weight. Tomatoes are excellent providers of chloride too, which is a crucial component of digestive juices. The lycopene helps in protecting against gastric cancer. Also, the presence of antioxidants in tomatoes protects the stomach lining from inflammation. Number 7. Lessen the risk of gallstones. Tomatoes work as a magical wand in removing kidney and gallstones as well. If you have gallstones or kidney stones, add tomatoes in your diet to eliminate these baleful stones from your body. Number 8. Strengthen bone. Strong bones are what we all yearn for. Studies have shown that drinking 2 glasses of tomato juice makes bones stronger and reduces osteoporosis. They also have beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A when ingested. Vitamin A plays a vital role in bone growth and development. The vitamin C in tomatoes is crucial for bone formation and connective tissue synthesis. Vitamin C deficiency will otherwise cause underdeveloped bones. Lutein in tomatoes enhances collagen formation that helps in boosting bone health. The presence of essential vitamins like vitamin K and D3 promotes bone metabolism and increases bone mineral density, which reduces bone fractures. Number 9. Enhance immunity. Strong immunity means that you have enough power to combat diseases. A diet rich in tomatoes increases white blood cells production and functioning, fighting against infections and preventing damage caused by free radicals. Number 10. Reduces inflammation. Tomatoes are blessed with 3 vital antioxidants like zeta-carotene, phytone, and phytofluorine. These 3 antioxidants are generally present in bright-colored vegetables. They help in battling against inflammation and diseases associated with it. Drinking tomato juice reduces inflammation because of the presence of lycopene in it. Lycopene has anti-inflammatory properties. Some authentic studies have suggested that tomatoes contain apolycopenoids and other bioactive components that work beyond perfection than lycopene in combating inflammation. Number 11. Boost brain power. It's lycopene again. Our brains are more prone to the damage caused by oxidative stress than any other part of the body. Here's when tomatoes come to help, because they have an excellent lycopene concentration, beta-carotene, and other important antioxidants. To get the most of this magical vegetable, eat it along with olive oil. It will help the carotenoids in tomatoes dissolved in fat and absorbed by the blood readily. Another benefit that tomatoes provide for our brain health is that it protects us from dementia and Alzheimer's by assisting in cognitive function and concentration. Number 12. Makes liver healthier and happier. Lycopene in tomatoes hunts the DNA-damaging agents, thus encouraging liver health. They are also enriched in B-complex vitamins that tolerate liver health. The liver is capable of regenerating itself if some damage happens to it. Not only tomatoes help the liver in this regeneration process, but also assist in detoxification of the liver. The more tomatoes you eat, the lower the risk of liver cancer will be. Tomatoes also protect the liver against inflammation, which happens by eating a high-fat diet. A recent study has revealed that green tomatoes contain tomatine, a toxic chemical often found in the leaves and stems of tomato plants. This chemical can stop the growth of liver cancer cells. Number 13. Give life to your skin. The superstar lycopene never ceases to amaze us when it comes to enhancing skin health. It is often used in the facial cleanser, and because of its presence, those cleansers have very high prices. Tomatoes also boost collagen production, a compound that gives the skin elasticity and keeps it young forever. Eating tomatoes will reduce UV damage and sunburn risk. Want to get the most of lycopene? Peel a tomato and put it on your face. Make sure that the tomato touches the to your face. Leave it on your face for about 8 to 10 minutes and see the magic yourself. Number 14. Tomatoes are beneficial for pregnant women. You must have tried and taken every vital fruit or vegetable beneficial for you and your baby's health during pregnancy. But have you tried adding tomatoes to your diet yet? Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C that a pregnant woman needs to keep their babies healthy. It also plays a role in making the bones, teeth, and gums healthier. Vitamin C also makes iron absorption in the body easier. Many women take iron supplements, but eating tomatoes during pregnancy has its perks that solely supplements won't provide. Try to take lycopene from tomatoes during pregnancy because lycopene supplements are not considered safe for pregnant women. If you like my content, please let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.